Hello guys, so this is a project I'm currently working on. This is for a French tutorial. People ask me to make an English tutorial. I will do it on another NAS, not this one. I want to make something different. I don't like to make the same object twice. I'm really lazy. And this one is fully editable. You can absolutely change everything on this object. And this is for me the goal. On this tutorial, I will show everything. I will show you all my tools. I will just move this one to the proper collection. And as you can see, there is a lot of details. The wire is pretty clean. Everything is pretty clean. You will have great results. You can change the number of segments. You can change the bevel, absolutely. All the parts are editable, except maybe the logo. This one you just can change the bevel here, and you can change the thickness of this metal or plastic. I don't know. I think it's metal. I'm trying to add a lot of details. Also, everything is editable. If I select this one, as you can see, this is that. So you have some details. I can hide the shadows to avoid this, and if I select this one and I hide everything, as you can see, this is just that. So with the modifiers you will have this result. Same for this object. As you can see, this is a pretty detailed asset. As you can see, I can change absolutely everything, the number of segments here, the size of the bevel. I can add more cut here, more cut here. I can change the bevel here. I can add a bevel here if I want. I can edit this bevel. I can edit this bevel. I can edit the last bevel. I can edit absolutely everything. Because this object is just that. Two simple plain like that, with modifiers. And I will have this result. So as you can see, this is pretty nice. Same on this one. This is just a cube. Same on this part. This one is just I will hide everything. This is just that, as you can see. And as you can see, the goal is really to be able to edit absolutely everything. I can select this and this and this, for example, just to show you, and I will hide everything, and this is just some edges, just like that. I will come back, boom. So as you can see, absolutely is fully editable, and I have some details. Everything is great. All the shadow is great. I don't have any issue on the shading. Like that, it's correct. Maybe I need to add, hoopla, not you. Come back to hide the shadows. As you can see, without the shadows, it's even better. So that's it. If I select all of this, just like that, if I hide everything, this is just some boxes, face, like that, some parts like that. As you can see, this is just that. I will activate this to show you. Pretty simple, and I will show everything, and that's it. So this is much better like that. If I hide this, I have also some bool objects, because the bool objects are important, and this is all the bool objects. For example, this one, I will duplicate it like that. I will stay here. I will have this result. On this one, I will just go in solid mode, and if I hide everything, this is just that. So I can edit absolutely everything on this one. I can edit the wire, the number of segments. So I just have to edit the screw modifier. As you can see, I can add more, etc. or less. I will keep at 100. I can edit the solidify here. I can edit the booleans. I can edit the bevels here if I want more or less subdivisions. It's not on this one, it's on the second one. Up. like that, I can change absolutely everything. So I will remove this one, I will come back here. As you can see, I'm using some arrays to not have to edit again and again the object. I have some object like that, pretty simple, with some bevels, etc. I have some bevels here, etc, etc. So, as you can see, this is a lot of details. I am not finished, I need to finish this part to add a part here, and I will make EV render at the end. So, just come here, hop. This is the result for now, just to check if everything is nice like that. I added some bevel, some bump here, a little noise, and I have this. So, as you can see, this is pretty interesting. I wasn't in Eevee, haha. So, in Eevee, this is that. Need to add some light, but this is pretty nice. That's it. So I will finish this tutorial. I will make it, post it on tuto.com to test, and you will be able to follow it as you want. It will be in French, and after maybe next week, I'll try to make the other version in English this time, and it will be on Gumroad. And it's almost, I think, 10 or 12 hours on this one. 12 hours of tutorial, or videos, and you will have a really nice result. So, that's it. Bye bye.